All right. Here's an end of a crazy day. What happened? I think I know. I think um, I think Bitcoin reacted to Biden's statements, and it created some risk-on trading, which triggered algorithms and moved everything up this aggressively. Tomorrow will be the deciding factor because tomorrow, um, if there's no follow through and it sells off, then you'll understand, or we can understand that it was really an algorithms triggered by a risk asset trade, and that's what I'm thinking happened, man. Okay, but on the dailies, we're looking at a strong bar on. Are we looking at the daily? Oh, we're not. Got to swing that over. Um, we're looking at a pretty strong bar on the daily. S&P momentum is rolling, but there's no setup. There's nothing here telling me that it's a trend reversal. Well, you know what? This could be could be. I mean, we're going to have to break this high in order for us to call it a trend reversal. Otherwise, it could be a consolidation. If we turn around tomorrow, this could be a lower high. So be careful. I'm not believing it yet. I think I'm going to need a good confirmation, a very conservative, strong confirmation of a break of this high before I'm ready to argue that we have a trend reversal. Yeah, because we're looking at a downtrend right here. We made double top like we did over here and then turn around. But everything is not okay right now. Things haven't changed. Oil came down a little bit, but I think that what caused that is the risk on trading that transpired. I think the risk on trading happened because of Bitcoin. So I see nothing in it right now. I'm going to wait and take a look and see what goes on tomorrow. I was not able to take advantage of a lot of this move because the market had opened up so aggressively. So I didn't chase it. I mean, I made a few bucks. I got off on a few trades, but I did nothing miraculous. But I wonder what was the move here because the open was 223 and the high was 99. So I mean, you got 73 points in the run. That's not bad, not bad, not bad at all. We popped up a pretty good number, but expect that gap to be closed. I don't know if it's going to happen so aggressively tomorrow, but expect that gap to be closed. Bitcoin, 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 which I think is what led the party. And I mean, it ate up 3 days worth of a move just in today, which is pretty good. But we're still in that consolidating pattern. So really inconsequential. Biden came out, talked about regulation. It kind of lent to the idea that cryptocurrency is going to be around for a while, and that's what happened. People started buying on it, triggered it up. I'm sure we got a few of those Reddit traders in there. Hopefully, people are just trading it and made their money for the day. But I think this pulled the market up. I don't think the circumstances changed, so I'm going to just keep my eye open for reversal patterns. If this breaks this pennant, then I'm convinced things have to come to an end. But Putin's yet, not packing up. Nobody's got the balls to whack him. Um, Zelensky is not ready to surrender the Ukraine, and we keep putting the thumb screws to Putin. So I'm not ready to play the war is over trade yet. So you looked at oil. We were saying it's toppy. Um, this is really energy. We were talking this morning about this shooting star. We opened up low, broke that. So there was a trade there, to go short. could just be a retrace for a turnaround. Things may continue to march on. We'll have to see some time. We have to let this set in. We pretty much did the same thing. We got top, he turned around. We didn't get that shooting star on it, but on the 240, you could see a double top, double test of that. And I mean, we were talking about what this trade looks like. This is just, you know, an overreaction and a jump. So now we have a lot of gaps to fill, which it's very likely that we will. Uranium still stayed up. See, that's a logical trade, man. Uranium is going to be a limited resource, and there's a lot of demand for it. So, I mean, that's obviously why it pulled up like that. This was a nice move. This retrace is a good place to get involved. I get a little leery chasing things like this. And precious metals doing the same thing that all the other commodities that took off on the war are doing. And basically, it's time enough. Take some profit, wait for a pullback, get back involved. So anyway, that's it, man. I think that this is the result of a little enthusiasm in Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin has that effect now on the S&P, and you can watch Bitcoin for being a leader or dragging and pulling it, you know, much like the NASDAQ does. So risk on and everything ripped, and basically that's what I'm feeling. And if you look at the sectors that ripped, it kind of shows that things just went risk on right now. So, and why did things go risk on? I don't see any fundamental change in our living environment. You know, still at war, still have inflation. So be careful. That's my bottom line. Be careful. Watch your bottom side. So everybody have a nice evening. Get that meditation in. Actually, I'm about to go do it. Had a good workout today. Get a little meditation in. It's snowing, and I am miserable. On that note, have a good night.